I'm going to move right into showing you how to get ready. If you've got your shutters off of the house, I'm going to use my Syntec brush. I'm going to use the deglosser in a quart. All the shutters on the exterior of your house are covered over with everything from pollen to sediment to just everything that's in the air, and all those things land, and then of course it rains and it all turns into some other kind of sticky substance because it all blends together, and then it picks up some more dust and dirt from the air, and all of that begins to make a buildup. Take a good dry towel, go in there and wipe it away. You'll be able to see real quick all of the yuck that comes off here. So I'm using Iron Gate. These are that kind of a burgundy color, and we're just going to use the True Applicator. I've wiped this down really well, turn that paint right up on that. Just using that awesome True Applicator, putting on that first coat. It's going to help you get around the edges and just work the paint right down into all of these louvers and make this job not so horrible and do. You're going to get on this first little ugly coat. Then we're going to go in here in all these cracks in just a minute with the brush. Get all the paint on there that you can using the True Applicator, getting on that first ugly coat. So get right in here with your brush. You're just going to make a quick swipe with just pushing the paint right down into those little corners that are always so painful. It is. So what I was saying about offloading a brush, every time you're doing this when you're painting, you're actually offloading that brush. So it's going to run. So I never swipe that way. I always paint with that grain. Go back and roll over these areas. Using this roller is going to give you a beautiful sprayed on looking finish. See what we accomplished here in that very short window of time. And of course that little grain that you're seeing is from the plastic, but it is starting to dry. It's got a beautiful sheen to it.
And it's really pretty.
So there it is.